Many women over 40 experience a feeling of betrayal by their own bodies.
This is especially true when it comes to urinary incontinence.
It can feel embarrassing and isolating.
The truth is, this common issue affects millions of women worldwide. Yet, it remains a silent struggle for many. Women often suffer in silence, too afraid or ashamed to seek help. This is a natural bodily function. It's important to remember that you are not alone. There is no shame in seeking help to reclaim your life.
Urinary incontinence can have a significant impact on a woman's quality of life.
It can limit social activities, hobbies, and even intimate relationships.
Many women avoid going out or engaging in physical activities for fear of leaks.
This is no way to live. It's time to break the silence and address this issue head-on. You deserve to live a life free from the constraints of urinary incontinence. Many women turn to traditional feminine hygiene products for managing leaks. These products may seem like the easiest solution. However, they can actually worsen incontinence in the long run. Traditional pads and liners often contain harsh chemicals and synthetic materials. These can disrupt the delicate pH balance of the vaginal area. This disruption can lead to irritation and inflammation. In turn, this can exacerbate bladder problems.
Recent research has revealed alarming findings about the presence of toxins in these products. Many contain chemicals linked to hormone disruption, allergic reactions, and even cancer. These findings are a cause for serious concern. These toxins can be absorbed through the delicate skin in the vaginal area. They can then enter the bloodstream and affect various bodily systems, including the urinary tract. This constant exposure to toxins can weaken the bladder muscles and worsen incontinence symptoms.
Introducing FemiPro, a natural and effective solution for managing urinary incontinence. This revolutionary product is specifically designed to address the root causes of bladder weakness. It does this with a unique blend of scientifically backed ingredients. FemiPro harnesses the power of nature to strengthen and support your bladder. This helps you regain control over your body.
Each ingredient in FemiPro has been carefully selected for its potent properties.
Cranberry extract. This natural powerhouse is known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections. It also helps to reduce inflammation and strengthen bladder muscles. Mimosa pudica, rich in antimicrobial properties, supports bladder health and reduces frequent urination. Probiotic blend, a healthy gut microbiome, can influence the metabolism and regulation of hormones, including estrogen. Estrogen plays a crucial role in maintaining bladder control. Another important ingredient is bearberry, which supports urinary tract health and support to combat any infections.
FemiPro is more than just a product. It's a commitment to your well-being. It's a promise of a life free from the worry and discomfort of incontinence. Thousands of women have already experienced the life-changing benefits of FemiPro. Here's what they have to say.
FemiPro has given me my life back. I can now go for walks, attend social events, and enjoy my life without the constant fear of leaks. Margaret, 55.
I was skeptical at first, but FemiPro has truly exceeded my expectations. My bladder control has improved significantly, and I feel so much more confident. Jenny, 48.
Don't let urinary incontinence control your life any longer. Take charge of your health and well-being with FemiPro. It's time to reclaim your confidence, your freedom, and your joy. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider to determine if FemiPro is right for you. Learn more about FemiPro and embark on your journey to a life free from incontinence. You deserve to live your life to the fullest.